I'm here today with the Head Prestige Pro pedal grip tape or tennis grip tape. Doesn't really matter that much because you can put it on either racket. With pedal, trend has been to go a lot thinner for racket handles, and I think you can do that with tennis racket as well. And this is quite thin, so you can layer this on how thick or how thin you want, depending on how much rotations you do or how much overlap you do on there. And just remember to remove the plastic first before you put it on, because otherwise you wouldn't get any benefits of like the tackiness here. It's quite tacky, not really that tacky, but just enough if you're into just a little bit of grip, not too much. But the durability of these is incredible. I've never had any of these brands, and I've had different head models as well. Can you say models with grip tape? Different head models as well, which were more or less tacky, but did not have this durability. So I think that's really cool. You get a packet of 3, you can buy them, and these will last you a long time. So a very cool grip tape, and I really recommend.